We are at our beautiful John Reed location in Dallas. Our brand John Reed was founded in 2016, and the goal was to merge design with music to an unforgettable workout experience. I want the audio experience in this club to be immersive and flawless. From the moment you enter the club, through the walkway, down to the workout areas, you won't find a dead spot where you can't hear the music on the same level than everywhere else. We actually want to be that good that our members leave the headphones at home and tap into their experience and feeling of music. We always knew that music is super essential pillar of the workout experience. We used Bose products before. EdgeMax, a real game changer. Why we love EdgeMax so much is it has the power and the sound pressure to be a foreground speaker. We can use it in the space here over the couch to give some background music where people can still talk to each other and have a social moment. But then on our functional floor or in our group fitness rooms, especially cycling, where you need lots and lots of sound pressure to have it perform as a foreground speaker with the whole frequency range. Obviously, we bolster it with subwoofers throughout the space, no question. But EdgeMax alone already has an amazing also coverage of the low frequencies. Directionality. The EdgeMax shoots in one direction. That's also something that makes us really unique. Let's say you are on a treadmill, running. We want the sound coming from the front. We want that directionality. That's how we design our spaces. We try to have the music face the person working out to have that full immersive experience. Cycling is really music driven and it needs enormous sound pressure and bass. We can make that happen with the EdgeMax. In the cycling room is that we can actually recess them as they were intended to be in the ceiling. So that means we can achieve our super clean, slick design. You wouldn't even realize the speakers are there. No other brand can do that. So we can actually arrange the speakers and that way avoid too many sound reflections in the space, which obviously enhances the whole experience even more. What is a loud cycling class if the sound bounces around and you can't understand the instructor? We can solve that through the help of the amazing Bose Professional EdgeMax product.